All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I got something spectacular right over here. Thanks to Tim, I'm able to check out this gorgeous piece. This is a BBM. Look at this fella right there. Nick Chuprin, Robert Carter knocked it out of the park with this fella. Gorgeous BBM, fully dressed. I mean, guys, let's check the size. I gotta bring some matching stuff. That's a Stellaris, and that is a mini cannabis in a blue and fancy handle. Would you look at that? That thing is small. Another blue one from Shiro is the F5, and another not blue one, but still pretty cool, is the Duck from Cody Utzler. And again, you get to see that that fella is pretty much bigger than, smaller, pretty much the same size, but a tiny bit smaller than a small Sebenza 21, and that's just for reference, a large 21. Anyways, we're here to check out this bad boy, which is truly stunning, guys. It's a Zircuti frame lock with Dama core blade. It's, guys, a stunner. Really, I mean, I had a few of the BBMs. This is just me being like not able, because I have big hands, so this is kind of tiny. I mean, this thing disappears in my hand. So it's gorgeous. I reviewed a couple of these, and this so far is the nicest one, action-wise, finish-wise, everything-wise. Guys, I mean, I'm just gonna shut up so you can check this out, admire, without my blah, blah, blah. How about that? I can't really just shut up, right? Anyways, it's gonna be pretty quick because I just want to show you this fantastic pattern going on with the teal, with the blues and the black and the zirc, of course. And here you get to see all the layers on the spacer perfectly matching the width of the scales. And look at this clip. Fantastic detail for the lock bar cut out. Love it like that. There's no stainless steel lock face insert on this guy. Here you get to see the core of the blade, which is not really centered in the sandwich. It's a little bit more, like you see, towards that side. Has a little bit of bleeding towards this point. I mean, you never know. It's random, really, how the core is gonna be exposed. You're gonna see only after the grind. So this is a pretty cool hollow grind. Actually, let me check. The thickness of this blade is 4 millimeters, and behind the edge, this fella is thin, 0.2 millimeters. That's pretty awesome. Also want to check how this guy is gonna be doing in the pocket. Consider that there is also Zircuti bead, which is gonna add to the weight, 4.420. There you go. You cannot go wrong with this fella. It has a custom pivot. Would you look at that work with some crazy, really, like the colors are fantastic. I believe that's. I mean, look at the center of the pivot, guys. This is crazy. It's inlaid, of course, on both sides, and it's a custom pivot. That is why it comes with these two huge screwdrivers. But because it's a spinning pivot, you can have fun and take it apart and clean it and lube it and maintain this beauty how you're supposed to do. Look at this. How cool is this? Fantastic Dama core blade, beautifully swedged with the fuller, with the hole chamfering around this hole. You have The swedge is beautiful because it cuts through the fuller and keeps going up to this point a little bit before the tip, and then you have maybe 20% belly and a straight edge up to the sharpening choil, which in this case it's just connecting right over here to this part of the handle where you just naturally let your finger just rest right there, and in this thumb ramp with a little bit of jimping, not really effective, you got your grip like that. That's it. That's how you're supposed to do your cut. And it's fantastic in the hand. It's a very small knife, but it's really feels really good. I'm not sure about the reverse grip. Kinda works, yeah. But mainly like this area here, super well done. Great grip like that. The action is just like the smoothest I ever had. It's just a little bit small, like to do this, but ooh, when you catch the right angle, it just deploys like a boss. Sound-wise, it's really discreet in the closing. Drop shot action, runs on bearings, of course. A little bit louder when you deploy it fast. You can just do a slow roll, and it's gonna be clock, clock. So good. Look at this. Ergonomically speaking, I said just great, no hot spots. The clip works very well. Look at the ramp on that clip. I mean, guys, I don't know what to say. Simple construction, because you have 2 screws going through the spacer, like Chicago screws, perfect. You get 1 pivot screw. It's custom, there's a custom tool needed, but it's provided, so whatever. No stainless steel lock face here, insert, beautifully. Man, this detail, I love that. The contrast with this pocket clip, it's so gorgeous. I love it, guys. I don't know what to say. One of my preferred designs. It's a tiny one, but it's so classy, so well done, so beautiful, so elegant that I just love it. So there you have it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.